Welcome back to our beautiful space of learning. I am so happy to see your bright, shining face today, David.
Oh, Emily, the feeling is mutual. I have been looking forward to our talk all morning. My heart is just racing to learn more.
That is the spirit. Today, we are diving into the magic of daily conversations. These aren't just words. They are the bridges we build between hearts.
Bridges between hearts. I love that. Sometimes I feel like I know the grammar, but I don't know how to truly connect with people.
And that is exactly why we are here. Let's start with a classic. Instead of a stiff, "How are you?" try saying, "How's it going?" Feel the rhythm of it.
How is it going? It feels much smoother, like a gentle wave on the ocean.
Precisely. It invites a story. It says, "I care about the flow of your life." Now, imagine you agree with someone completely. You could say, "You can say that again."
You can say that again. But Emily, if I say it again, won't that be repetitive?
Oh, David, you are wonderful. In English, that phrase just means I agree with you 1,000%. It's so powerful, isn't it?
That is just incredible. It's like a secret code for friendship. I can imagine using that with my neighbors.
Yes. And what if you are leaving? Instead of a cold goodbye, try "take care" or "have a good one." It wraps the conversation in a warm blanket.
Have a good one. It sounds so kind. It's like giving a small gift to the person as you walk away.
What a beautiful way to put it, David. You have a poet's soul. Now, think about the phrase "long time no see." It's so simple, yet it carries so much history and emotion.
I've heard that one. It's when you haven't seen a friend in a very long time, right? It feels very nostalgic.
Exactly. It breaks the ice instantly. It says, "I have missed your presence in my life." Can you feel the warmth in that?
I can. I feel more confident already. These phrases make English feel less like a school subject and more like a home.
Oh, David, that brings tears to my eyes. That is the ultimate goal, to make this language your home. You are doing so well.
Humbly, thank you, Emily. Your encouragement means the world to me. What should I say if I don't understand something, but I want to be polite?
Wisely. Just say, "Sorry, I didn't quite catch that." It's much softer than just saying, "What?" It shows you are listening intently, but just need a little help.
I didn't quite catch that. It's like asking for a hand to hold while crossing a busy street.
Radiantly. You are a natural. Every time you use these phrases, you are telling the world, "I am here and I want to know you."
Exuberantly, I can't wait to go outside and try these. I feel like a new door has opened in my mind.
And behind that door is a world of friends waiting to meet you. Keep that fire burning, David. You are truly spectacular.
With deep gratitude. Thank you for this light, Emily. I will cherish these words and use them with all my heart.
You are so welcome. Remember, every word is a step on your beautiful journey. Until next time, take care.
Waving with a smile. Have a good one, Emily. See you soon.
Oh, hello there, my wonderful friend David. It is so good to see your bright face today. Can you feel the magic in the air as we begin our lesson?
Oh, Emily, I can feel it. I have been waiting all morning for this. I am just so hungry to learn more beautiful ways to speak to people.
That is the spirit. Today, we are diving deep into the heartbeat of English, phrases for daily conversations. These are not just words, David. They are the keys that open the doors to people's hearts.
That is such a poetic way to put it. Sometimes I feel like I only know how to say hello and goodbye. It feels a bit small.
Oh, I understand. But imagine this. Instead of a simple, "How are you?" you look someone in the eye and ask, "How is your day going so far?" Can you hear the difference?
How is your day going so far? Oh, it sounds so much more caring. It sounds like I actually want to hear their story.
Exactly. It is a warm hug in a sentence. When you use that phrase, you are telling the other person that their time and their feelings truly matter to you.
I tried saying that to my neighbor yesterday, and she smiled so brightly. It made me feel like I was really part of the neighborhood.
That is incredible. You are already a natural at this. Now, let us try another one. When someone helps you, even with something tiny, try saying, I truly appreciate your help.
I truly appreciate your help. Oh, Emily, that feels so powerful. It feels deeper than just saying thank you.
Encouragingly, yes, it reaches right into the soul. Using the word appreciate shows that you see their effort. It makes the world a little bit softer and kinder.
Can you imagine? Just by changing one word, I can make someone feel so special. English is like a superpower.
It really is. Well, what about when we have to say goodbye? Instead of a quick bye, we can say, it was so wonderful catching up with you.
Oh, it was so wonderful catching up with you. That sounds so warm. It makes me want to see that person again very soon.
Precisely. You are leaving them with a beautiful memory of your conversation. It's like leaving a little spark of light behind you.
This makes me feel so much more confident. I used to be afraid of making mistakes, but now I just want to share these feelings.
Oh, David, never fear a mistake. Mistakes are just the little steps we take toward greatness. Every time you speak, you are growing.
I feel that. I truly do. I want to practice these every single day until they feel like a part of me.
And they will. You have such a beautiful heart for learning. Remember, language is about connection, not perfection.
Thank you, Emily. This lesson was exactly what I needed. I feel so motivated to go out and talk to everyone.
With a deep breath, my heart is so full. Go out there, David. Use your words to spread kindness and joy. You are doing absolutely marvelous.
I will. I truly appreciate your encouragement, Emily. Until next time.
Take care, David. Keep shining your bright light on the world.